Mindfulness in nature. Find a nice log or stump. Look out to the gorgeous sky. Amazing, isn't it? The sun is shining, birds are singing. Barely anyone is around, just people exercising or walking their dogs. Sit down, take a couple of deep breaths. Close your eyes and just listen. Try to count the different birds you hear, the rustling in the leaves, maybe a dog barking or one car very far away. I'm here at Oxleas Woods doing my nature meditation and enjoying the lovely day. You can do that wherever you are, at home, in your garden, your park, just on your own, sitting, listening, and taking in nature with all your senses. Enjoy your day. All the best, Monica.